Hello, this is Hans the Dutch guy with Much Dutch, and this time we will tackle the hardest letter in the Dutch language, which is the G. Yes, it is important to get this letter right. We use it so often, it seems like it is in every other word. So in this lesson we will do a couple of exercises, try a couple of basic words, and make it a little bit more difficult as we go along. At the end we have 25 additional words with a G in it. Pause it when you want, go back or come back later, but keep practicing, you will get it. Now, if you can only do the G in a softer manner, like the sound we use to mimic an angry cat, then that is fine too. But please try to do the harsh G first. Alright, let us begin with an exercise. That G. Go ahead. Clear your throat like there is something stuck in it. Got that? Now do that and put an A, an A, right after it. Ga. There you go. You made your first Dutch word with a harsh G. It means go. Ga. Now shorten that clearing your throat sound. Ga. Ga. Now make it even shorter. Ga. Ga. And now, like we Dutchies say the word ga. 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 Did you get it? The trick is not to overpronounce the G, but have it at the same time audible and there. Ga. Ik ga naar huis. I'm going home. Ik ga naar huis. Ik ga naar huis. Ik ga naar huis. Let's try the color yellow in Dutch, which is geel. Geel. If you need to clear your throat again, the technique, go ahead. Geel. Geel. Try to make that G sound short. Geel. Geel. Now let's try a word where the letter G is not in the beginning, like the number 8, which is acht. Acht. Yes, the CH in this word is also pronounced as a G. Acht. 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 Remember, don't overpronounce the G. Acht. You hear it? It's a short G. Acht. Let's stick with numbers and go from 8 to 80, since that will have 2 harsh G's in it. 80 is 80 in Dutch, so both G are, again, short. But I will draw them out so you can listen to them. 80. 80. Try it. And now shorter. 80. 80. Let's try one with a G at the beginning and one at the end. One of our most famous words. Gezellig. 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 Are you getting the hang of it? If you need to feel the g again, just clear your throat again. Alright, from here on we will go through 25 words, names and places with the g in it. I will leave enough pause in between for you to try, or of course you can pause the video. Please do give this video a like and please subscribe to our channel, as we add more Dutch content almost daily. Here we go. Good luck. Goed. 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 Geweldig. 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 Schade. 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 Scheveningen. 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 Yes, the ing does have a g in it, but we pronounce the ing almost the same as the English. Scheveningen. Groot. 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 Gratis. 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 Groen. 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 Groningen. 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 Again, the ing as ing. Gezondheid. 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 Geven. 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 Gefeliciteerd. 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 Gemeente. 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 Gooien. 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 Limburg. 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 Schiphol. 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 Griekenland. 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 Vincent van Gogh. Vincent van Gogh. Vincent van Gogh. Gogh. Brugge. 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 Lachen. 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 Echt. 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 oorlog, oorlog, oorlog. Geit, geit, geit. Agenda, agenda, agenda. Stofzuiger, stofzuiger, stofzuiger. Augustus, augustus, augustus. I hope this video was helpful for you to pronounce the Dutch g. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. We do have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. Tot ziens!